Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question chemistry 2018 question number 3. In the above experiments fig 1, the litmus paper will initially A. be placed, B. turn green, C. turn red, D. turn blue. So this is the actual experiment in this fig 1. This is actually a damp neutral litmus paper. It's placed on top of this tube, and this is a porous asbestos plug, and right inside this tube we will have solid ammonium chloride, and it is being heated to a temperature of 350 degrees Celsius. So when you heat this ammonium chloride to this very temperature, it will release ammonia gas. So what will ammonia gas do to a damp neutral litmus paper? Ammonia gas, is an alkaline gas, so it will naturally turn the neutral litmus paper to blue. So the actual answer to this problem is that it will turn it to blue. D is the answer. Because why? With the experiment that we are looking at, ammonia gas is going to be formed, and we all know that ammonia gas is an alkaline gas. And what does alkaline do to a litmus paper? It turns red litmus to what? Blue. So that's what will happen. So that is why D is the answer to this. So in this, we need to know what is going to form. When we look at this sketch very well, we are going to find out that when solid ammonium chloride is heated at this very temperature of 350, ammonia gas that has a characteristic choking smell, which is easily recognizable, is released. So you can actually find this topic under nitrogen and its compound, and you can actually test for ammonia. When you check for test for ammonia, you'll be able to understand this very well. Test for ammonia, then you will see this. So this topic is under nitrogen and its compounds in your chemistry textbook. So what you're considering here is sodium chloride. So whenever it is heated, ammonia has to be liberated, and this ammonia turns this very litmus paper to blue, and that is why we have this as your answer. So the right answer is turns blue. D. Thank you.